Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be going over installing the Pillow Profits app. So the first thing we want to do is from our home dashboard here on Shopify, we're just going to be going over to apps on the left hand side here, and we're going to go to visit Shopify App Store. And from here we're just going to go into the search bar here and go to Pillow Profits Fulfillment. Just like this, and then we're going to hit get. We do get a free 7-day trial. I will put the link below for the Pillow Profits app, so just click on that and it'll redirect you to the page I was just on. And then you're going to click install app. Hit approve charge. We will wait for it to confirm. And here's our dashboard. So in the next video, I'm going to upload a product. So I will see you in the next video.